Kamabuhayers, once again, I'm here. Welcome to my vlog, my YouTubers, my kamabuhay, my kamabuhi. I'm your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Just here having my escapades. Once again, here I am, dropping by my favorite Boko Juice here in front of Abrisa. Ramil's Boko Juice. I love to order the pure Boko. Yeah, pure, no milk. It's my favorite. Whenever I'm here, my day is incomplete without drinking this really very yummy, tasty. So good. Okay, and very young Boko juice. Yeah, and the meat, I love it. Of course, my new friend, Ramil's family, Syra Jaira, and CJ, their son, and Ramil here. Oh, what are you waiting for? Come now, dali na kamo, lagaw diri sa atubang sa Abrisa Mall. Kag mabakal sa namit-namit idiya. Tasty, healthy drink. Yeah, instead of drinking other drinks, this is the doctor's advice for all is well, long life. Drink fresh Boko juice or coconut juice. Come now and have a taste of this so refreshing Boko juice just in front of Abrisa Mall. You can have one of these for 50 pesos, and it's good for, I think, pila gani ka baso? Duha, tulo. O, duha. This one. Yeah, if you are the only one, so super busog na ka. Oh, may ara pang meat or the carne of the coconut. Yeah, that's it. So, kamabuhayers. Lagaw na diri kag mabakal mainom sa Boko juice in front of Abrisa Mall. Oh, it's already raining. So, I have to close my vlog. Don't forget, come now. Magkita ta diri ha. Next time, diri ko sa Abrisa. Ano pa ginahulat nyo, mga Ilonggo. Ilonggo girl, oh. Oh, diri na, naglugsong sa Davao. This is it, my coverage. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. I love Boko juice, coconut juice. I'm teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life, good person. Until my next vlog, kamabuhay and kamabuhayers, my YouTubers. Thank you everyone, mabuhay, long live. Signing off, retired teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, the endorser of Ramil's Boko Juice.